Science Fridays! Welcome back. Today we're doing an egg in the bottle experiment. So all I've done so far is I boiled this hard-boiled egg, peeled the skin off. I got one glass container with the mouth of the bottle has to be smaller than the egg, obviously, so we can practice what it looks like seeing the egg drop down through when it wouldn't normally fit. And you'll need a match and some paper. So as you can see, when we put our egg in the container, it doesn't fit through. Magic time. Quick little fire. That's gonna drop right down in there, create a little bit of heat. Second try, need a little more heat. Oops. Thinking the little bit of Frappuccino left in here might be interfering with the experiment. So we'll try a different type of paper, and the bottle is a bit less wet this time. What's happening? Go, 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 go. It's amazing. It wasn't meant to fit in here. Should have done it in Now what's nuts is, watch this. Blow a little oxygen in there. Stuck. So what's the actual science behind this? It's all about air pressure. At the beginning of the experiment, the air pressure inside of the bottle is equal or the same as the air pressure outside of the bottle, which is why the egg sits on top. When we drop our piece of paper in, lid on fire, into the bottle, it creates heat and the air inside the bottle expands. Then we put the egg on top, the flame goes out, and once again, the air inside, as it cools, contracts. When the air contracts inside, it means that the air pressure on the inside of the bottle is less than the air pressure on the outside, which is why the outside air pressure pushes down, forcing the egg into the container. A couple of pro tips for this one if you do it. First of all, always supervised by an adult when you're playing with fire. Second of all, if you use a little vegetable oil before you start and kind of coat the top of the bottle, it'll slide a little bit easier. It's a little bit of a cheat, but it does kind of make the experiment a little more exciting. I'd also recommend using a thicker grade paper. If you use a thin paper, or I was using paper towel at first, it burns out too quickly, so the heat in the container doesn't become enough for the egg to actually drop. That's all for now. Everyone have a great weekend. Happy Friday. I'll see you next week.